This Align Right Realty property video is presented by Michael Daniels. Stunning 2024 modern home in Hawkstone. Experience the perfect blend of luxury and functionality in this beautifully designed 2024 built residence. Featuring 4 bedrooms, 2.5 bathrooms, and a spacious open floor plan, this home is ideal for gatherings and comfortable living. The expansive eat-in kitchen boasts stainless steel appliances, 42-inch light gray shaker cabinets, quartz countertops, and an oversized island, perfect for meal prep and entertaining. A frosted glass door leads to a walk-in pantry, combining sophistication and practicality. Luxury vinyl flooring flows throughout, while the front room offers versatility as an office or sitting area. The primary suite is a tranquil retreat with dual sinks, a garden tub, an oversized walk-in shower, and a deep walk-in closet. Step through multi-slide patio doors to a covered lanai, perfect for alfresco dining or summer barbecues. Tankless water heater, and smart home features for modern convenience. Located in the desirable Hawkstone community, enjoy top-rated schools, parks, shopping, dining, and easy access to I-75 and the Selmon Expressway. Nearby amenities include the 969-acre Triple Creek Nature Preserve and Triple Creek BMX. Don't miss this opportunity to own a stunning home in a prime location.